There.
Next, we'll try out a 12 gauge shotgun. First, we got some 2 3/4 inch birdshot load, and then 2 3/4 inch buckshot load. See how this does. Okay, now I'll angle it down.
Now it has to go down.
Alright. First time I've ever shot buckshot with this thing. Let me re-angle it. Alright, let's see how this thing does. Some buckshot. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Woo! Feels good on the hand. I think I hit it with something.
Yeah, it hit it, definitely, I can tell.
I'm just gonna clean it off and then I'll do the video. Definitely got some buckshot hits on it.
Yeah. Damaged it, but didn't go through.
So let's see what the 12 gauge did to it. So wow, you can see there's a lot of damage. Up here is where my birdshot hit, and you can tell it ripped all this Kevlar away. None of it went through, but it definitely would hurt a lot. And then my buckshot, looks like I got a hit down here and here, and maybe even right there. The buckshot made dents, but not nearly as big as the 9mm dent. Let's see if this thing can stop a 223. Next up, we got 223. We have an AR pistol here, loaded up with some Full Metal Jacket 223. Now let's see how our plate does against 223.
Oh yeah, gotta shake it up.
Okay, we are rolling. That's it. See what we can see on the camera.
Oh yeah. That shaving cream. 223.
That is really fun.
Oh yeah.
So someone challenged me to try to shoot this thing as if it were like a pistol like this. So I gotta live up to the challenge. So I got some birdshot here. I'm gonna load it up. Let's see how this thing goes. Woo!
Yeah, that worked pretty good.
That feels pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's test out the Glock again.